3.
Today we're going to be drawing a Lego town. So we're going to always start off with this line. Okay, so now that's going to be the ground. And now we're going to draw a building, which is going to be this high. So we're going to use our arm as the tape measure. Yeah, it's supposed to be right here. Good. And then we're gonna draw this, the next side, and we're gonna color this in. I meant to do that since that's gonna be like a camera, security camera. We're gonna put that after the security camera. Now we're gonna draw a circle here. Really good, and it's actually gonna be a spiral. And then mine's gonna be high, so it's gonna go through the paper like that. And it's gonna go up here side for the house. This is gonna be a house. Now we're gonna draw this, and we're gonna draw a line down, and a lot of these for blocks. And then here we're gonna draw this. We're gonna draw this. I'm gonna draw this and this. And I'm gonna draw this and this. So it's gonna be 2 windows. And it's gonna go. So the house is gonna be made of like rocks. So since it's like a builder's house, which you do know that some builders can live in rock houses, can't they? Oh, right. And I'm not gonna color this in the hallway, but you can if you want to. Black when we're done. Okay, so I just made like a shape of an R. I'm gonna make a heart shape.
That's the main thing, is to get the levels.
Oh, you're pushing me. Okay. Try to. It's just a little sibling. That's one of my siblings that pushed me. I didn't mean to have a sibling in a video, which I'm sorry about that. I'm not really going to color in my pictures. Okay. And I'm going to put this on YouTube. So subscribe on the big red button. And it's going to look like this. So that's what the button's going to look like. And then this part is going to be red and that's going to be white. And oh, this is going to be some teeth, and it's going to have a nose. They're going to be alive buildings. And this one's going to have an eye here, and an eye here, and a nose. And it's going to have its mouth here. It's going to be scary since it's going to be trying to eat an animal. And the tongue is going to be sticking out. Trying not to make it too scary. And now we're going to draw a Lego car. So I'm going to teach you how to draw a Lego car. So we're going to always start off with, so we're going to draw it step by step. So, and then I'm going to draw a square here, like that. And then I'm drawing a race cars. So then I'm going to draw this. And then I'm going to draw like something like this for the race car. It's going to be like a kind of an ATV. And then we're going to draw this. It's going to connect in like this. And now we're going to draw its wheel like this. And we're going to draw the inside part. So it's a Lego town. So we're going to draw this, the screws around the wheel. So I'm just practicing. This is going to be its big wheel. I'm going to draw this. And this circle inside. Now that we've drawn that race car, we're going to draw a Lego man. And we're going to draw his door first, walking to his house. So he's just going to be in his neighbor's house right here. His neighbor's house his neighbor is actually, he is the principal. And I do not know why he's going to be the principal, and he lives right next. This is a car that came from behind them, and now I'm going to draw a man coming in. So I'm going to draw so he's going to have no face since he's going to be walking this way, walking into the door. So I'm going to draw a head right here. I'm going to draw the body. And I'm going to draw this part, which his head is coming out of. And this is going to be his neck. I'm going to color that part in. That's going to be his hoodie behind him. That's going to be covering him. And this is going to be his leg, so it's going into the dirt. Since it's like earthquake sand. And now I'm going to draw this. And his other hand. He's like, oh, I'm so glad to be home.
No, he's not down there.
And now I'm going to draw this. And this. And this is going to be right where his volume button, where we're going to draw a little circle inside. I'm going to draw two little lines going in, like that, since he's going to have a necklace behind him, like that, with like, the hole in behind him. And this is going to be his pants, or a skirt, but this is his pants. So, and then he's going to be holding a sword, since he had to attack in there to protect his neighbor from somebody. So he's going to be holding a sword. And no, this is his car parked right outdoors. And we're going to draw another one. looking sideways. Since he's gonna think, I'm gonna go for a drive. So now he's gonna be going for a drive. And I hope you had fun. So don't forget to subscribe on the big button